Good morning, beautiful people. For today's video, we are going to bake a pumpkin cake. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how to bake a pumpkin cake. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. This is T Loves, okay? Quarter teaspoon ng salt. We will add our 1.5 cup of sugar. And mix using our wire whisk. So I have to mix this manually. Guys, you can use your hand mixer if you have one, okay? Kita niyo guys, nagiging yung color niya guys, oh, pale. Then we will add our teaspoon. Ilagay natin ang ating oil, a cup of oil, and mix. Mix. Isang organic pumpkin that I grow in my garden. So yes, organic. Then I stem them and mash. So ito yung ating 500 grams na pumpkin. Okay. Add natin ang ating cinnamon powder, half tablespoon, and our a quarter teaspoon ng nutmeg. Two cups of plain flour unbleached with half tablespoon ng baking powder. Tapos, i-sift pa rin natin guys, okay? In there, okay? Flour. So, mix lang natin siya. Hanggang mag-combine ng ating flour. So, we have a pumpkin bread or pumpkin cake. Siyang buhol-buhol na flour. Okay? So, hindi natin siya i-overmix, guys. Okay? So, yes. We have our pumpkin. So, ito yung ating pan. Nilagyan ko siya, I spread with oil. Then, nilagyan natin siya ng flour around. Then, yes, with parchment paper. Let us bake. So, ito siyang ginawa ko lagi guys. I have to do this. So, tap. Gagamiting frosting ng ating pumpkin cake. So we have the butter. So this is unsalted butter, and it is around 113 grams. And we have a cup of powdered sugar and our cream cheese. Ito yung ating gagamitin, 250 cream cheese, and a pinch of salt, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Okay? So, yun ang ating pumpkin frosting. So, yes guys. Hihintayin na lang natin guys ng ating pumpkin ay maluluto. So, pumpkin guys. We will cool this guys for 10 minutes on the rack. Then, we are going to take out from the molding pan. And then, we are going to put it down and apply for our frosting. Okay? namin. So guys, this is now our final product, our pumpkin cake. So if you haven't subscribed yet to T Loves, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. Mwah.